Marshall x Hendrix 60th Anniversary Acton III Review, a legendary collaboration. Reimagined for modern music lovers, introduction. Marshall has long been synonymous with rock music. For more than 6 decades, the British audio brand has powered legendary performances with its unmistakable amplifiers. Few musicians embody that legacy better than Jimi Hendrix, whose explosive guitar playing and innovative sound forever changed modern rock. To celebrate 60 years since Hendrix first plugged into a Marshall amplifier in 1966, Marshall has launched a special anniversary collection that pays tribute to one of music's most iconic partnerships. The lineup includes a hand-wired 1959 JM-H amplifier, a matching 412 cabinet, a limited edition Dunlop fuzz face pedal, and the centerpiece for everyday music lovers, the Marshall x Hendrix 60th Anniversary Acton III Bluetooth speaker. Rather than redesigning its popular home speaker from the ground up, Marshall has transformed the Acton III into a premium collector's edition featuring exclusive artwork, luxurious materials, and design elements inspired by Hendrix's unmistakable style, while preserving the excellent sound quality that made the original Acton III one of the company's most popular home speakers. Celebrating an unforgettable musical partnership. The relationship between Marshall and Hendrix is one of the defining stories in rock history. When Hendrix arrived in London during the mid-1960s, he quickly discovered Marshall's powerful valve amplifiers. Their loud, dynamic sound perfectly matched his revolutionary playing style, helping create unforgettable performances at venues around the world. Marshall amplifiers became a central part of Hendrix's stage setup and influenced generations of guitarists who followed. According to Marshall, Hendrix didn't simply use their amplifiers, he helped shape the identity of the brand itself. The company summarizes the relationship with a memorable phrase: Marshall built the amps, Hendrix made them scream. 60 years later, that legacy continues through a limited edition collection designed for musicians, collectors, and fans of classic rock. A design inspired by Hendrix's psychedelic style. The standard Acton III already resembles a miniature Marshall guitar amplifier, but the Hendrix edition transforms it into something much more distinctive. Instead of Marshall's familiar black leather-like vinyl covering, the anniversary speaker features rich, crushed purple velvet, reflecting the flamboyant clothing Hendrix frequently wore during his performances. The visual upgrades include luxurious purple velvet exterior, silver aluminum control panel, purple control knobs, purple LED indicator lighting, exclusive Eye of God emblem, cosmic oil on water inspired artwork, commemorative Hendrix branding, premium collector packaging. Marshall says the overall design draws inspiration from Hendrix's fascination with space, science fiction, vibrant colors, and artistic self-expression. Unlike many limited editions that simply change the logo, every visible surface has been carefully redesigned to celebrate Hendrix's personality without compromising Marshall's timeless aesthetic. Audio performance remains outstanding, although the appearance has changed dramatically. The internal hardware remains identical to the highly regarded standard Acton III. Speaker configuration. The speaker features 130-watt woofer, 2 15-watt tweeters, 3 dedicated Class D amplifiers, improved waveguide technology, dynamic loudness technology, wide stereo soundstage. Marshall's dynamic loudness automatically adjusts tonal balance as volume changes, ensuring vocals remain clear while bass stays powerful whether listening quietly or at high volume. Technical specifications. Here are the main hardware specifications. Feature specification: woofer 3 OW tweeters 2 times 15 West frequency response 45 Hz to 20 kHz, maximum SPL 97 decibels at 1 meter, wireless connectivity Bluetooth 5.2, wired input 3.5 mm, O stereo technology, updated waveguide app support, Marshall Bluetooth app. Multi-speaker feature Oricast support. These specifications make the speaker suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, home offices, studios, gaming rooms, small gatherings, modern wireless features. While the design celebrates the 1960s, the technology is firmly rooted in 2026. The speaker supports Bluetooth 5.2, providing reliable wireless connectivity with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Marshall has also included Oricos compatibility, allowing future wireless broadcasting and easier multi-device audio sharing as the technology becomes more widely adopted. Additional features include easy Bluetooth pairing, physical playback controls, adjustable bass, adjustable treble, Marshall mobile app compatibility, analog AUX input for wired listening. Unlike some competing smart speakers, the Acton III does not include Wi-Fi streaming or built-in voice assistants such as Alexa or Google Assistant. Marshall instead focuses on delivering a straightforward, premium listening experience. Eco-friendly construction. Marshall continues its commitment to sustainability with the Hendrix edition. The speaker incorporates 70% recycled plastic, PVC-free construction, fully vegan materials, long life, repairable design philosophy. This approach reduces environmental impact while maintaining the premium build quality expected from Marshall products. Part of a larger Hendrix collection, the Bluetooth speaker is only one piece of Marshall's broader anniversary celebration. The complete Marshall X Hendrix 60th Anniversary Collection also includes 1959 JM-H hand-wired amplifier head, 1960. A JM-412 hand-wired cabinet, limited edition Dunlop Hendrix fuzz face pedal Acton III Hendrix Bluetooth speaker. All products share the same cosmic purple and black visual theme inspired by Hendrix's artistic style, making the collection especially attractive to serious collectors. Who should buy it? The Marshall X Hendrix Acton III is an excellent choice for Jimi Hendrix fans, classic rock enthusiasts, Marshall collectors, audiophiles seeking premium Bluetooth audio, home decor enthusiasts wanting a statement speaker, anyone looking for a unique limited edition speaker, because it offers the same acclaimed sound quality as the standard Acton III while adding exclusive styling. Buyers receive both excellent audio performance and collectible value. Expected price and availability? Marshall has introduced the speaker as part of its 60th Anniversary Hendrix collection. Availability varies by region, with sales beginning through Marshall's official store and selected retailers. As a limited edition release, supplies are expected to be significantly more restricted than the standard Acton III. Final verdict. The Marshall X Hendrix 60th Anniversary Acton III Bluetooth speaker is much more than a cosmetic refresh. It celebrates one of the greatest artist-brand collaborations in music history while preserving the excellent audio performance that has made the Acton III a favorite among home audio enthusiasts. Its luxurious purple velvet finish, psychedelic-inspired details, premium materials, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, Oricos support, and signature Marshall sound create a product that appeals to both collectors and everyday listeners. While it doesn't introduce new acoustic hardware over the standard model, its exclusivity and artistic design make it one of Marshall's most memorable limited edition speakers in recent years. For Hendrix fans, this speaker is more than just a Bluetooth audio device. It's a tribute to a musical legacy that continues to inspire generations of guitarists and music lovers around the world.